Assalamu alaikum, dear brother and sister. Have you ever struggled with the desire to engage in something that could lead you astray? Today, led by Mufti Menk's wisdom, we delve deeply into the importance of rejecting temptation and putting Allah's pleasure first in our daily lives. Understanding temptation. Temptation frequently manifests as a strong desire to engage in behaviors that are inconsistent with our moral and spiritual beliefs. The pull of excessive screen time, the thrill of gambling, or the temporary escape given by narcotics all put our commitment to righteousness to the test. Spiritual significance. Resisting temptation is more than just exerting willpower. It is a meaningful expression of our connection to Allah. It represents our decision to value His counsel and pleasure over ephemeral worldly wants, which frequently lead to spiritual emptiness. Yielding and its consequences. Giving in to temptation has serious effects. It separates us from Allah's mercy and guidance, potentially resulting in moral degradation and spiritual separation. Furthermore, engaging in sinful activities can ruin our relationships, degrade our reputation, and impair our overall well-being. Mufti Menk's insight. Mufti Menk emphasizes the value of cultivating acts that please Allah. He inspires us to prioritize our daily prayers, seek knowledge, and maintain moral integrity in the face of temptation. Strengthening our faith via continuous acts of worship and good deeds is critical to spiritual resiliency. Examples of resilience. Consider people who resist gossip, avoid dishonest behavior, or maintain modesty in the face of cultural pressures. Their steadfastness displays their devotion to Allah's laws and serves as an inspiring example of moral courage in today's world. The rewards of resistance. Allah provides rich rewards to those who avoid temptation and remain true to their religion. Each act of self-control and obedience is documented and rewarded in various ways, both in this life and in the afterlife, emphasizing the value of spiritual discipline. Challenges of resisting. Resisting temptation is not without its hurdles. Peer pressure, societal conventions, and personal flaws can all impede moral integrity. These problems, however, can be addressed by self-awareness, trust on Allah's direction, and seeking help from virtuous friends. Practical ways to resist. Practical ways include regularly remembering Allah, dhikr, learning about Islam to build faith, and creating a supportive environment that supports moral values. Creating a systematic spiritual regimen and seeking forgiveness for past misdeeds are critical to spiritual development. Conclusion. To summarize, our capacity to resist temptation and prioritize Allah's pleasure is essential to our faith. It necessitates consistent effort, self-discipline, and a strong dedication to spiritual development. By strengthening our connection with Allah through prayer, knowledge, and good deeds, we protect ourselves from worldly temptations and strive for spiritual greatness. Question for reflection. Have you ever experienced the transformational power of faith and patience in resisting temptation? Share your thoughts in the comments section below. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more enlightening discussions about Islamic beliefs and spiritual growth.